I haven't even had a chance to try any of them on. You can't claim them yet. So today we're going to be doing a Threadup haul. Dozer likes Threadup hauls because the box is the perfect size for him. Isn't that right, buddy? Okay, let's actually dive into the box now and see what I got. Daisy would also like to see what's in the box.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Just Jordan Things, where today we're doing another Threadup haul.
Threadup haul.
You guys know that I have been obsessed with Threadup because it is thrifting online. It is so much easier to not only shop for the styles that you are looking for, but you can also shop for brands, colors, all the different patterns, everything. It makes shopping so much more fun and it is sustainable. So today we're going to be unboxing my Threadup haul along with all of the other clothes I've bought in the month of November. And Dozer is going to help us as well. Isn't that right, buddy? He is going to approve or disapprove of my outfits as I show them to you. And do not come for me for my unmade bed because he was laying there before I laid all the clothes out. So I could not make it. Oh, you want to try that one on first? Those are just leggings. But we'll do a skirt first. Okay, buddy. This is going to be a mix of some of the new clothes I've bought, some of the old clothes I've had, and the new Threadup clothes that I have bought. Because apparently I didn't have any tan sweaters in my entire wardrobe. I don't know how that happened. And I saw this picture of Taylor Swift wearing a plaid skirt with a sweater over it, and now I wanted a plaid skirt with a sweater over it, so I had to make that happen. So let's jump in. I've been trying to make different interesting outfits. I heard someone online say if an outfit is not interesting by color, it has to be interesting through texture. If it's not interesting through texture, it has to be interesting through shape. And if it's not interesting through shape, then it has to be interesting through color. Did I already say that? Anyway, you get what I mean. What should we try on first? Let's do this skirt because I haven't actually tried it on yet and I think I've been the most excited about it. This is from a company called Lace Made and I found them off of the TikTok shop. They actually did send me a sample of a dress that I have worn before, and what I really love about their brand is the dress that I got is 100% cotton, which is hard to find. And look how cute this skirt is. So let's try this on, figure out what top we can wear with it, and you can rate my outfit with Dozer. I like filming all of the mistakes and leaving them in my videos so that a year from now, everybody can go see all the mistakes that I made and see the improvements I've been doing. One of these days I'll get on one of those meme accounts and someone will take splice my videos and make a collage out of them. No, make you know what I mean. Those are pipeline dreams though. A few of you that have been around for a while have already done this and seen the sewing and sourdough bread improvements, and that's what I love. I love to share the journey of where I started and then what it takes to get to being good at something, because no one is good at everything naturally. Everything is a skill that we can build on, including styling outfits. I used to be really bad at this, but I feel like I'm getting a little better. Example A. And I do believe this skirt has pockets. This skirt doesn't have pockets. It's got lining, but no pockets. That's unfortunate. But these tights are not actual tights. They're pants. This is not my skin underneath this. They are fleece-lined leggings, which will keep me very warm in the 70-degree temperatures we get here in chilly San Diego. I feel bad, honestly, anytime I talk about it being cold here in San Diego, because it is not cold relative to the rest of the world. I do understand that. But it is cold to me, the little lizard that lives in the desert that doesn't like it when it drops below 75. Isn't that right, Dozer? Dozer doesn't like the cold either. This is our first outfit. I don't know if I really love the cardigan with this. I was thinking more of a longer sweater look, but I do love this cardigan. And I might switch out the buttons on it now that I, am an expert knitter, crocheter, whatever I am. Let's try on the other sweater I got in my Threadup haul with this Lace Made skirt thing. This one also has a more pinkish hue. Oh no. Lipstick. Get out of my head. Again, I think I want a little bit longer of a sweater so it goes down here. Could I just stretch this? Maybe. But you get the concept I'm going for? This, where the skirt's just kind of peeking out from the bottom. This might not be it still. I can return things to Threadup, so this one might be a return. I also don't know if I like this kind of neckline. I'm just not in love with this sweater with what I intended the purposes of, but maybe it will work with the other skirt I got. Let me try that one on really fast. All right, now this is cute. This skirt is a little too big, so I would need to hem it. Can you hem pleather skirts like this? But I really like this pleated look, with the length of this sweater. The colors go together well. I'm liking this. I just need this skirt to stay where it's supposed to go. But this is a really cute, like, holiday, Christmassy, wintry vibe outfit. I got one more black skirt because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go the pleathery vibe or just a regular, like, cloth vibe. So let's try on this, see if it looks any different. All right, I'm obsessed with how cute this skirt is. And I think this is something I would want to like tuck to show off the skirt and the way the shape is, because I love this little like bubbly thing it's got going on. Does it have pockets? No pockets. This is a pocketless haul, which is concerning for me because, you know, I only like things with pockets, but it's cute enough that it'll work. I don't know if I love the sweater with it though. Maybe we should try a different sweater now because this isn't the vibe. It's kind of the vibe. It's not the vibe. It's not the full vibe. I have been trying to do more like capsule wardrobe things. So getting staple pieces that you can pair with multiple things. It's been a big challenge, but I think I'm getting closer so that I could just pull something out and it matches 80% of what I have in my closet because otherwise I won't wear anything. I also really like this, like, what is this called? Fisherman's knit. This isn't real fisherman's knit, I don't think. I think it's like a fake printed version. I don't know. Okay. I buttoned this wrong. I can get on board with this lighter color on top as like a sweater more than just a cardigan versus the actual sweater with this. This is cute. I like this. Cute little date night. Festivities. Going ice skating maybe? That's me ice skating, if you're wondering. What else did I buy? Oh, this is a loft sweater. Interesting. This is my plug where I tell you I watched the Buy Now documentary on Netflix talking about overconsumption and how companies are making millions of shoes, phones, clothing a day. Like, we have far more things on this planet than we actually need and can consume. And as an influencer, I feel like I'm kind of in this weird position where I do have a responsibility to inform you. As an influencer, I do feel like I have this weird responsibility of not promoting overconsumption to you, the consumer. And that completely negates my role as an influencer in the cog and the wheel and prevents my ability to grow faster, because I'm not telling you, you have to buy this right now. This thing is going to change your life. If you watch my videos, I'm not using clickbaity or excitable language the majority of the time because I want to be a responsible influencer. If this is something you like, I'll tell you where I got it from so that you can get it for yourself, but it's not going to change your life and you don't need it. And it is just another skirt. What I do like about ThredUp is it's thrifting, it's sustainable, it's not contributing to the cycle of overproduction, overconsumption, because it's things that were already on the market and we're keeping them out of landfill. That being said, please hold me accountable. Yes, I'm trying to grow as an influencer. Yes, I'm trying to be sustainable in that process, but no, I am not perfect and I do make mistakes. So keep me in check. But again, I did say this is my entire purchase haul from all of November, including Black Friday shopping, which is my next find. This Ralph Lauren skirt that I got from Nordstrom that was on like super triple discount, and I need to get it hemmed. But I'm going to show you how cute this is. We're just going to shove this down in here so you can get a feel for what this would look like with it tucked in, but this is not giving it its best presentation. But look how cute this skirt is. I've wanted a long denim skirt like this for a couple years now. So this has been on my wish list and I have had my eyes on it, and it just happened to be on super sale. So I got it. I like it. I need to get it hemmed. I think I'm going to hem it up like this much. If you can see my little shorty girl legs over here, then it'll be, I think, where I want it to sit. It'll look a little better when I wear shoes with it. What do we think? The other thing I really try to do is I try to buy 100% cotton and or non-synthetic materials and quality clothing that's gonna last. So even if this was $125 retail, not when I paid for it because I'm a savvy shopper, it's gonna last me the next 10 years because it's good quality material and I trust the brand, which I know it's hard to trust brands these days because some things they make are good, some things they make are bad. How are we supposed to know? We can't do all the research as consumers because we're only one small person, and the brands are spending millions of dollars trying to figure out how to make us buy more things. The odds are stacked against us. But as a sustainable, responsible influencer, I can do my best to inform you the research that I know and learn and pass it on to you, and then we'll collectively do it in the comment section together. Thanks. On to the next outfit. As you can see, I'm still on my plaid kick. And actually, I think this is herringbone. My apologies. This is herringbone. The other one was gingham. Don't roast me in the comments. But I did wear this one for my pre-Thanksgiving hosting outfit. So some of you may have seen it on my TikTok already. Look how cute that skirt is. And the best part, it's shorts. It's a skort. So you can do the twirly twirl and your butt's not gonna fly out because it's a little short. And does this one have pockets? No. Okay. The last one did have pockets, to confirm. So we're not on a 0 pocket spree. It's not looking good for the pocket game. I'm really into the pleats right now. And my goal is probably not by next year, because let's not set outrageous expectations for us that quickly. But I do want to be able to make my own clothing eventually. That is the goal. At some point in my life, if I see something, I can say, I can make that, and then I make it. And then I really buy nothing. A girl can dream, right? The seamstress that I'm taking classes from actually does do that. So I know it's possible. I just don't know if it's possible for me. We shall see. If you want to see more sewing content or do sewing lives, crafting together, please let me know, because I'm in a big craft mood right now. Like crafting every night kind of mood. Homemaking all of my Christmas gifts this year kind of mood. So more coming at you. Let's see what else we have in this box. Okay, last 2 items, and this one is actually a decoy, because this is not a full sweater. It's a lie, and I'll show you why. You don't want to hang out here with Dozer and rate my outfits?
No.
Oh,
I have no interest in doing that.
Hey.
Oh, you just got sideswiped.
Rude. You see how he treats me, Dozer? You gonna stand for this? Oh,
No, he's gonna lay down.
Dozer wants pets.
For it.
Dozer wants pets. I want kisses. What are you doing? Can I have a kiss?
Oh, you gonna come out?
Can I have a kiss? Got him.
Hey, why?
It doesn't transfer. You afraid of a little lipstick?
Yes, I'm afraid of a lot of lipstick.
Men. Anyway, like I was saying, this little thing turns any summer spring dress into an instant winter outfit. I like that it's not super bulky and long, so like regular sweaters that you'd have to like tuck them in or roll them up or put the sports bra over. I don't want to be dealing with that. That's too many layers. And if I need to strip it off because I'm hot, because you know, it doesn't get below 65 degrees in San Diego. And if you're walking around in the sunshine, you're gonna get warm. Hence, I can easily remove this if I need to. Now I have a spring outfit underneath. Spring, winter, spring, winter. Easy transitions. We like it. And this compare with so many of my dresses that I currently have, which again, capsule wardrobe makes it easy. I'm having a good time. Okay, last thing I got, just boring jeans. I just needed a non-pair of skinny jeans, and what's the easiest way to get, and ordering on Thredup is just an easy way to know what brand and size I need, because it's so hard to find a pair of pants that fits. Why are women's clothes like this? A 25 should be a 25 regardless of what your brand thinks it should be. It should be actual measurement, not a sizing. I digress. But I know I'm a size 25 in Madewell jeans, so I can order them online easily. He's claimed all of my clothes. That's fine. They're for him. I don't live for me, I live for my pets. Very clear. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more. And I do need your help to grow my channel. So if you like watching my videos, please leave me suggestions on for what you would want me to see, to try next, to do, and like and comment and share this with other people, because that is how you tell YouTube my videos are good quality. Until next time, are you going to clean the box? You can get in the box, that's fine. He's got to clean himself before he gets in the box. Bye everyone.